Is your RenderDoc Project apps broken by the RenderDoc debugger module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we get into the manual guide for RenderDoc debugger module, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the RenderDoc debugger module, the core execution library for the RenderDoc graphics debugger, responsible for capturing GPU frames from running applications and enabling detailed frame analysis. It injects into target processes to intercept rendering calls. If missing, RenderDoc may fail to attach to applications and display errors such as injection failed. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. RenderDoc is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the RenderDoc Project file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error again. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing RenderDoc debugger module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Replacing RenderDoc debugger module without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing RenderDoc debugger module dependencies. To keep RenderDoc debugger module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.